So hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So in this video I will talk about everything about the postponement, whether the postponement will happen or not, or there will be one attempt or two attempt more for the JEE exam. So all the question and answer in this video will be discussed. And what about the refund if you have applied for it, and what about the transfer if you have applied some attempt, that is from March to the May attempt or April to May attempt. So what will happen if the postponement takes place? So I will discuss all the things in this video. So, and I will also discuss about the admit card date when it will be released. So all the things will be discussed in this video, so try to watch the video till the end so that you will get all the information. And if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe the channel so that you will get all the information at the right time. And day by day the chance of postponement is increasing, so you can expect it to be cleared after the admit card is released, or they will release the notification for the postponement. So let's start the video. So before starting, it's my humble request, please subscribe the channel, as I will inform you all the thing about the JEE as well as other entrance exam throughout the counseling. So please try to subscribe the channel and listen the video properly till the last, and try to share this video with your friends so that they can also get this information. So let's start the video. So here is the postponement question and answer. What will be the effect, and whether the chance of postponement is more or not, all those questions will be discussed here. So the first question is, will it be postponed or cancelled? So the cancellation chance is negligible. You can think the exam will not be cancelled. If it is happen, then you may think it will be combined, that is only one attempt will take place. So I will discuss that thing also. So the chance of postponement is more now, and that will be only for 15 to 20 days. You can't think that the postponement will take place for 2 months or 3 months. It will be only for maximum 15 to 20 days, because there is another attempt, and after that there will be JEE advance, and then counseling also takes place. That takes so much time, and then you have to start your academic first year of the college. So I don't think the cancellation will take place, but it will be postponed. If it is happen, then it will be only for 15 to 20 days, as the chance of postponement is increasing day by day due to the increase in the number of COVID-19. So you can think it will be postponed for 15 and 20 days. So chance of postponement or not, so there is 50% chance of postponement and 50% not as well, because the JEE exam is only for the one day. See, it is not like the CBSE exam where you have to attend the exam for 5 or 6 days. There is more chance of getting infected with the COVID-19. But in the case of JEE exam, you just need to go for the one shift. There you can take the precaution and save yourself from the COVID-19. So you can just think it will be postponed or not. Both the chances there. So I am not sure about it. You will get the confirmation after the admit card is released, or they will release the notification. No one can tell with the 100% surety that it will be postponed or not, because it's all depend on the NTA authorities. So the next question is, what will be its effect if it is postponed? Then it's sure that the competition level will be increased, as I talked in my previous video also. If you haven't watched that, what will be the effect, I have told clearly in that video. So please try to watch that video so that you will get the effect of the postponement, what will be the effect. And you can also refer to the last year JEE exam, that is September 2020. So you can expect the competition level will be increased, and the difficulty level of the paper is will be also increased, as the a student will prepare more for in the time that they will get for the postponement. So the next is, when the admit card will be released. So it earlier it was said that it will be released on 15th, but today is 15th, so you can expect it to be announced today midnight or tomorrow. And if it is not, then you can think they will announce the postponement date. So it that will confirm the postponement or not. So wait for that, and when the admit card will be released, I will inform you. So try to subscribe the channel so that you will get the information as soon as the admit card is released. So will both the attempt be combined? This is also one possibility. If it is postponed for more than 20 days, then both the attempt can be combined, but the chance of this is very less, because they have told the student to apply for the 4 attempt, and many students have paid the fee for the 4 attempt. So what will happen, and many students only apply for the May attempt due to some reason or due to their board exam. So when they will attend the exam, so I don't think it will be combined. It will be there will be 2 attempts. It is for April it may takes place in May, and for the May it may takes place in the month of June. You can expect the delay of 1 month. So the next is, if CBSE is postponed, why not JEE? As I have told earlier that CBSE, in CBSE exam you need to go for 5 to 6 days for the exam, but in JEE you just need to go for one shift, that is only for 3 hours, and your exam will be done. The chance of getting infection for the with the JEE exam is very less as compared to the CBSE exam. So I think the CBSE exam postponement is right thing, but if JEE is postponed, the student will find it very difficult to score good marks, as the difficulty level as well as the competition of the exam will be increased. So the next question is effect of CBSE postponement. So the CBSE postponement, that is class 12th exam, has been postponed, so it will affect on the April attempt. It can take place on the right time as well, or if it is postponed, that is 20 or 30 days, then also it will affect on the competition level, as the many student will left the CBSE preparation and they will focus on the JEE preparation. So it will increase the competition of the paper, you can get the less percentile and so high marks also. So this will affect the marks versus percentile also, and I will update marks versus percentile. If it is postponed, then I will make another video so that you will be very clear about the marks versus percentile. So try to subscribe the channel so that you will get that video also as soon as I upload it. So the next question is, what about the transfer? If any student have done the transfer, so what about them? So if they have transfers for the March to April attempt, and April attempt will be postponed or cancelled, the chance of cancellation is very less, but if it is postponed, then no problem. But if it is cancelled, then you will get the refund, I think, but the cancellation possibility is very less, so don't think about it. Your attempt will be transferred, so ready for the exam. And what about the refund and its date? So if it is postponed, then you will also get the refund, but the refund date will be, you will get the refund later. If it is earlier, it was the date, that is the correction window, if the over of the correction window of the May attempt, then you will get the refund. But for the May attempt, if it is postponed, then you can expect it to be around the June, in the month of June you will get the refund. So this is all about the question and answer for the postponement. So I think I have answered all your question and hope you find this very useful. So try to watch the video again if you haven't watched the video properly. So try to listen my words carefully so that your all question will be answered. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe and share this channel to your friends.